Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we are going to make nighttime fairy garden light, and I used simple items which you can find around the house and something from Dollar Tree. And this is one of the mason jar that I washed and cleaned, and this is one of the solar stake, the top part of it, and some of the figurines from garden and some moss and some glass gems and also some white pebbles to decorate. So I started by sticking all these glass gems on top of this plastic surface and let it dry. Now I'm going to decorate this mason jar. So I'm taking generous amount of hot glue and I'm taking like a circular piece of a floor moss, and using scissor I'm just making a bed for the fairy garden, and it kind of worked this way, and the grass stuck well. Now I'm taking a small part of hot glue and I'm sticking one of the figurine fairy and also one of the light lamp post there next to the figurine, and I also poured some of this white pebbles and also some glass gems around her to give like a nice fairy garden inside this mason jar. Using a scissor, I'm just tucking all those things inside, and this is so much fun to do. You can come up with so many different ideas, but I didn't want to overcrowd it, so I left it with that. Now I took this my top part of the solar stake, and the glass gems kept on falling. So plan B, I went with the floral moss. I just stuck floral moss all around the solar stake like a nightshade, and also stuck three of the leaves around the floral moss to give like a little natural effect there. And I just kept it in the sunlight for 8 hours. After that it started glowing. If I can show you, if I put my hand on top of the light, it kind of, if you can see, the light is glowing up, and if I take my hand off it goes away. So in night this shines like so beautiful, and it looks like a fairy is inside and she's having a comfortable home and she's reading a book. So that's the effect I try to give there, and such a cute and easy and simple DIY to decorate your outdoor space, or maybe you can put it inside. So this is how it looks. I'm so happy with the end result. Please let me know your thoughts on this.